This might be the most delicious breakfast you've ever tried. Forget everything you know about mayonnaise. This aioli starts with a boiled egg. No raw eggs, no risk, no fancy equipment. And today, we're turning it into an egg salad in a pita. So good, I almost forgot my hand was attached. Everybody, welcome to the Lev Haolam kitchen. I'm Rivki, and I'm here with David Pliner.
Hi, hello.
Today, we are making a just so tasty egg salad with aioli, mayo, pita pocket sandwich. Say that 5 times fast. Pita pocket sandwich. You don't want to miss this. It is absolutely delicious. And you guys, the best part, it just takes minutes to make. It's that quick.
Chick-chack.
Chick-chack. Okay, David, so you're going to take us through the ingredients that we are using now.
Yes, so we are making first aioli sauce. And for this, we will use 2 hard-boiled eggs, garlic, fresh garlic, lemon juice, olive oil and salt. We'll mix all together. And after, we will use it to create our amazing egg salad. We already have here boiled chopped eggs. We will use dill, fresh scallions, mustard, I guess, and our aioli sauce.
All right. So we're using the aioli in place of mayonnaise.
Yes, with some touch. And after we fill it all in pita.
Sounds amazing.
And try it, yeah.
All right. Well, let's do it.
Let's go. We have here a special bowl for the mixer. We will mix for our aioli everything together. We have here 2 hard-boiled eggs put inside, 1 cloves of garlic.
Okay.
Now, about half a lemon, I think, juice.
Nice. Wow, that's a juicy lemon.
Yeah.
So David, like aioli, you can use it like we're using it today in place of mayonnaise in the egg salad, but you could also, I guess, use it on hamburgers.
Yeah, it's good with schnitzel. It's like instead of mayonnaise, it's a good sauce you can use.
Okay.
Even like in salad. We need salt,
a little bit of salt.
Of course.
And of course, we always do 424 salt from Israel's Dead Sea. 424 meters below sea level, which is why it's called 424. It's the lowest place on Earth, and I think one of the most beautiful places on Earth. It's so peaceful. If you should come to Israel, personal recommendation to take some time to go to the Dead Sea. Some beautiful hotels and resorts down there, all different price points, but it's wonderful. Or you can come on a Lev Haolam tour with this guy and go to the Dead Sea, and I'll come with you. So if you come on a tour with David and go to the Dead Sea, I'll join you for the Dead Sea Day. Deal?
Yes.
All right.
Olive oil in. And now we need to mix everything together. If it's too thick, you can also add the cold water.
Okay.
Inside, okay?
I'm gonna step back. Don't forget, subscribe to our channel. I really love also making this with an Israeli olive oil because I feel like it brings another element of the taste of Israel into your kitchen, you know, and olive oil also very healthy. I have to try, David, just in case. Okay, I'm going to be really honest with you. That tastes 1,000 times better than I thought it was going to taste. It is delicious. The garlic really gives it like a rich flavor, like a pop.
Yeah.
That's nice.
It's like creamy.
Step 1, done. If you want to cook like an Israeli, then you are in luck. We have prepared a beautiful recipe book just for you. It's filled with wonderful recipes from right here in the Holy Land. And if you would like to receive your totally free recipe book from us at Lev Haolam, just follow the link in the comments below and we will be happy to share the recipe book with you.
So now, let's prepare our egg salad.
And again, here's the thing, like egg salad is not a complicated recipe, and I'm gonna guess that every single person watching has made egg salad and has their way of making egg salad. If you have a way that's different than this one, drop it in the comments and let us know. I've never used scallions in egg salad before, so this for me is going to be new. I love using fresh dill, and David is quite a scallywag to use the scallions.
Yes.
Yeah.
So we have our egg salad already, eggs chopped. So we will prepare our scallions and dill to put in.
Great. And I prepared the hard-boiled eggs last evening, and then as soon as they finish boiling, you put them into ice cold water. It really helps with peeling. They peeled beautifully, so that was nice. I guess, I think the thing that I really understand about Israeli cuisine, David, is if there's a way to add extra flavor,
Always.
we're going to find a way to add extra flavor.
Always.
And why not? I mean, food is an amazing pleasure. We could still be eating man, and instead we get to eat such a variety of beautiful colors and flavors. It's a real blessing.
Okay, we cut our scallions. Now we will cut the dill same way.
Yep. Dill, the scent of that is just wonderful.
Or you love it or you hate it.
Yeah, that's true. Let us know in the comments if you're on the side of you love it or if you're on the side of no thank you. Keep that dill out of my egg salad. We won't judge you, I promise.
Let's add all in scallions, dill.
See, it's just pretty. I do like a pretty dish.
Let's put a little bit more salt.
The nice thing too with this, David, is for like a busy mom who wants to give her kids something fun and easy to eat in the morning, you can prepare this the evening before and makes your morning easier.
Couple of days it stay for sure. Now let's add a little bit mustard inside.
Very good.
And our aioli.
And now the aioli. Whoa! It looks so pretty.
And let's mix
it
together.
Wow, this combination of the aioli, the garlic, and the dill. Wow, it smells really good.
If you don't want to make aioli or want more classic, use mayonnaise. It's work also very good.
I'm telling you though, the aioli with the olive oil from Israel and the garlic, that's just delicious.
Yeah.
Wow.
You see, you mix it.
Yep.
Let's combine everything well.
That's perfect, David. It looks amazing. Yeah. Okay, we're going to do a proper taste test because we're going to fill it into a pita, which I think is going to be great.
And actually, we are cooking recipe today for this amazing recipe books from the summer box. It's on page 16, as you can see. We took the recipe from there. And also a lot of different nice recipes using pita inside. And
maybe we'll make some more of those as we go along. Here you can see the box. So for those of you who haven't had a chance to receive a Lev Haolam box before, you can see the types of things that we send. Of course, for me, this is like my favorite part of every box. Every box we put in a monthly magazine. And I'll tell you, it's close to my heart because I have a chance to go and meet all of the artisans in person, to see their workshops and factories and take photographs of them. And this on the cover, it's Galit and Dani. They make these cookies, which are so amazingly delicious. The people are what Lev Haolam is all about on both sides of it. You guys who support us, we couldn't do what we do without you, and our artisans who we support through Israel. So I do invite you, check out the link below. I would love to welcome you to the Lev Haolam family. If you have any questions, you can just jot them down in the comments. We do read them and we'll answer them, but it's such a special thing to be part of.
Okay, so our salad is ready. Now we have pita. I will show you how to open it and to fill it.
Very nice.
So we have the top. And we just cut a small here.
Okay.
And you see the pocket, we open it.
I get it, pizza
like
pocket.
This, we can remove this part.
That is perfect.
Yeah. We have a pocket here.
Yeah.
You can put inside whatever you want. You see?
Yeah. Oh, David, that looks great.
So salad inside.
And you can also cut it in half if you wanted to do like a smaller serving, right?
Yeah, of course. I can make it in half, but we make like a full.
That is so super cute.
Yeah. And now let's make the half. Just cut it by half and open the same way.
Yeah, I feel like a half serving cup of coffee, that's good. Like a whole one in the morning, that's a lot of pita.
Oh, it's like for the big guys.
Yeah, exactly. Depends how hungry you are.
Yeah.
Oh, that looks so good.
And this is our half pita.
Mm-hmm. Okay, David, this is the exciting part. It looks cool. It's taste test. So I'm going to start with this guy.
Okay.
Okay. It looks very, very good, and I'm very excited to taste it.
Nice.
You guys, you have to make this. It's so divine.
I think it's for breakfast. It's eggs and also fresh
Yeah.
because of the dill and onions. It's
I'm always looking for like a super quick and easy breakfast. Oftentimes just have a yogurt, but this is fantastic when you want to take a little bit more protein. Wow, David, thank you for teaching us how to make this. By the way, you guys, would you want to learn how to make actual pitas at home, just in case you can't find them at your corner store? So let us know in the comments if you would like to learn how to make pitot. I would so appreciate it if you could give us a like, even share the channel with a friend who also likes cooking and likes Israel, because it helps us to grow, which is wonderful. And just thank you for standing with Israel, and thank you for being part of the Lev Haolam community.
Thank you for watching and see you. Bye-bye.
Bye.